What's up, cheesecake fans? It's your hairless friend, and I'm back today with the perfect cheesecake cafe for you. Cheesecake! C27 or 27 Cheesecakes is actually a chain cafe here in South Korea, and they have many different locations, but I think that the one here has the best decorations. They have many different interesting flavors of cheesecakes. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but definitely worth it for the quality. They serve pretty good beverages as well. I tried the cheese latte and the cheese frap, and they were really tasty. It's a really large space with the tracks of a roller coaster right smack in the center. They even have a front car of a model roller coaster which you can ride in, but it's actually more of a gimmick because when you ride it and you step on the pedal, it actually releases a gust of air into your face to make it feel like you're on a roller coaster. But it doesn't actually move. The decor and atmosphere of this cafe is really conducive for studying or if you actually need to get some work done. The entire area is split up into different parts. They have areas with tables and chairs which would be good for studying, and they have areas with very good looking luxurious sofas in which you can just lounge in and relax. One of the more upscale cafes that I've been in with a very unique interior design, quality desserts and a focused niche. As mentioned, they have many different locations within Seoul, but I recommend this one just for the interior design itself. It's located right next to Hongik University Station Line 2, that is the green line, in between exits 1 and 2. I'll leave the address in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave some likes. You can check out some of my other videos that I have. If you know of more cool places that you think I should check out, please leave them in the comments below. And finally, do subscribe if you haven't already for more weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.